All right, welcome back. So look at the next question. Simplify 4 all over 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 64 raised to the power of x. Okay, now we have 4 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 64 raised to the power of x. Yeah, okay, in this case, see, this is still a exponential function. So what we do at this point is to make sure the 4 up here is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 2, and the 2 down is 2 raised to the power of x. Now the same thing happened to 64. Change it to base and index, and of course if you do that, it's going to be 2 raised to the power of 6. By multiplying it by this original power, which is x, you have 2 raised to the power of 6x. Okay, now through the law of indices, we can proceed by saying this is 2 raised to the power of 2. Take this denominator, the power of the denominator up, that will now tend to minus x, and that's still equal to 2 raised to the power of 6x. Now, what do you notice? You notice that the verses are the same. Since the verses are the same, we can proceed by equating the power. So the power here now is 2 minus x is equal to 6x. Okay, now making collection of like terms, so 6x, this minus x crosses the sign of equality, and that will change to plus x. So at this point, we're going to have 2 is equal to 7x. Now, how do we obtain the value of x? We obtain the value of x by dividing both sides by 7. So if you divide both sides by 7, you're going to have this is over 7, this is over 7, then 7 takes away 7, and we end up having that x is equal to 2 all over 7. So 2 all over 7 is the value of x. Don't go away. Immediately we return from the short break. More questions continue.